Now, there's a lot of confusion when you talk about a token. When you say it's a token or it's on blockchain, many people, because the awareness is not there yet. What I understand is only 3% of the world population understand what a cryptocurrency is or what blockchain is. So basically, what a security token is in the crypto market, there are ICOs and there are security tokens. There are many different types of tokens, but everything that is on blockchain is not a cryptocurrency. What is a security token? Now, I'm sure you've heard about cryptocurrencies where people say they're illegal. They are banned by many governments and it's not allowed in many countries. And I've heard about a lot of issues in India also. There were a lot of news in just recent past that government is planning to ban or they are going to come up with some regulations. A lot of confusion about that. So basically, a cryptocurrency is something which is on blockchain. It is used as a currency, but without any backup, and there is no company or anybody who's backing up that ICO or a cryptocurrency. And that's how, if you remember 2017-18, people who were involved in cryptocurrency, that time it was quite new and people didn't know about cryptocurrency and they were just looking at the investment part and the markets growing and they thought they would make money out of it, so they started investing and suddenly the market crashed. So basically, cryptocurrency works only on demand and supply. So there's no other thing that either brings it up or brings it down. So demand and supply is the only thing. But when it comes to a security token, and cryptocurrency is not regulated, because you've heard of stories where governments are banning it and not allowing it in many countries, and some countries do have accepted it and have started regulating it. So cryptocurrency basically is not regulated, there's no backup, nothing. Whereas a security token, as I said, security token is, in simple layman's language, it's a share of a company. Earlier we would get, when you invest in a company, you get a share, which is a piece of paper with your numbers on the paper with your name, and that's your share certificate. So when everything got digitalized, you've seen the way blockchain is being accepted around the world. So these shares have also been tokenized. So they've come on blockchain. That's why they are called a security token. Now the word itself, security, means security. Why? Because each and every security token is backed by assets. Now, if you remember, there were a lot of companies who just came up and launched ICOs and they vanished overnight and people lost money. But this cannot happen with a security token. A security token has to be launched by a proper company. It has to go through all regulations. UGPay today, the assets that we have, the investments that we've done around the globe for the past 7 years, we started in 2014, is worth about approximately $22 billion. It's been audited by a audit company called Crow, which is 7th or 8th largest auditing firm in the world. About 8 were evaluated in the month of August. So the valuation was $11.5 billion, and we are expecting the audit report for all the other businesses, about total 15, which should happen by end of this year. And the valuation we are expecting is minimum $22 to $25 billion. So all these assets that we've invested, these security tokens are backed by these assets. So, and because it's a share, you earn dividends on these security tokens. So there are a lot of benefits, and it's not volatile like a cryptocurrency. If you see, cryptocurrency may just go up by 30, 40, 50% in a day and just drop down by another 50%. This doesn't happen with a security token, because it's a stable investment with backup of assets, regulated market. So that is a very safe and secure investment compared to a cryptocurrency. But what people understand, when you tell them it's a security token, they always compare it with a cryptocurrency, which is not correct.